So hello, I'm Ray, and this is my vegetable garden. And here we grow our own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY tips on the way. So please join my channel, that'd be wonderful. But today we're going to take cuttings from petunias. So what do we need? Well, we need some compost, we need some soap sand, a module tray. For the bottom tray we've got a piece of newspaper to absorb the water, a lid, propagator lid, a pair of snips, some rooting powder and some water, and petunia plant. So this petunia is one that we grew from seed, and there's a video of how we grow it by seed, and I'll add a description below and above. So this is our petunia, and as we can see, we planted it into our biggish pot, and now it's sending out these side shoots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can at least get 5 side shoots and we can propagate them. So let's go. So looking closely, we can see the stem coming out the centre. We just get our snips and we snip under the leaves. Like so. So there we have a cutting. So we go round, we can take this one. This one. And this one. So that's 4 cuttings. We'll leave the others on. Now this will encourage the plant to go bushy, and we'll send out some more shoots. So with our cuttings, we just take the bottom leaves and we just tear them. And this will make a wound, and this will be where the roots will form from. So we just take the bottom leaves and we come to our mix. So here we have normal multi-purpose compost. So we're going to add some sharp sand to the mix. So we're mixing that together, and then it's going to go straight in to a cell tray. There we go, we take our cutting, we get our little cup of water, we dip it in to moisten the stem, and then we get our rooting powder and we dab it in. And the water makes the powder stick to the stem. We just literally dib a hole, we get our trusty pen, we dib a hole, and then we insert our petunia cutting. We do this all the way along. We press firmly. Take that leaf off. Take that leaf off. Just leaving a few leaves on the top. And there we go. This will go into the tray where it will get watered. And the lid will go on top. So that's how we propagate our petunias. If you've taken any petunia cuttings, let me know, leave me a comment and I'll reply back to you. So thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.